What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to a special Christmas episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today we're going to be making a tasty Christmas treat, some chocolate-covered peanut butter balls. So, hop in that sleigh, Santa, and let's go for a ride. Oh! That's right, baby. The chocolate peanut butter balls, and you're saying to yourself, like I want. Looks like you've already got your Christmas treat right there in front of you, man. What's the matter with you? You can't wait for everybody to open presents? Well, I can't, baby. It's that time of the year. You're busy as hell and you're running around. And that's the thing. These are easy to make. They're delicious. Peanut butter and chocolate, that's a classic combination you can't go wrong with. Kind of like Coca-Cola and those polar bears. So, what we got right here, it's just a simple peanut butter ball. No bake to it, quick and easy, and you can put it under the tree for Santa Claus. Now, first thing that you got to do, make a peanut butter ball, get some peanut butter. And today, I just got some Peter Pan because, you know, I don't want to grow up either. So, take that Peter Pan, dump it all in a bowl, and that can be kind of time consuming. So you might want to turn on Andy Williams or something and just start singing. It's the most wonderful time of the year for that peanut butter to come out of that jar. Now, get your peanut butter all out of the jar, and then go ahead and get you some powdered sugar. It's going to look like Frosty's come to town. Take that powdered sugar, and you start with half a cup and dump it in that peanut butter. Now what that's going to do is clump it together. It's going to make it easier to roll and let our things set up there. So you get all that done. It looks good. Let's start rubbing our balls. And you know, that's kind of the thing about it, is this is the only time of year that you can say, hey, come here and taste my balls. It's Christmas, for gosh sake. So, you know, yes. And when you're married, it only comes once a year. So, you go ahead and take the peanut butter balls, start rolling them up, and put them on that plate. Now, once you get all your balls rolled, you're going to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator because they need to chill and set up. So, you're going to be tempted to take a bite of one. I'm telling you what, buddy, you got to be good. Santa's watching. Don't be in there in the fridge like the Grinch after you've hit all that hash. Now, leave it alone, set it to the side, and give it about, I'd say, 30 minutes to an hour or so. The longer, the better. Now, when you put those in there, we can go ahead and start melting our chocolate. And today, I just got some old milk chocolate chips. Thing about this is, this stuff's going to cook quick, baby, and you got to be careful. You don't want to burn the bottom, baby. So, what you need to do is go ahead and put it in a bowl, and when you put it in the microwave, only do it for about 30 seconds or so, and then stir. It's not going to take long. So, once you get that melted, you've let your balls cool there, Mr. Snowman. You can go ahead and take those out, and then you can start dipping in the balls in the chocolate mix. What you're going to do is, what I did, you forgot to find something to dip it with because you don't want to get your fingers all nasty. So, I found an old meat thermometer, stuck it in there, worked just fine, dipped it in there like a lollipop. So, once you get all those dipped, you replace them on said deal that you had sitting on before. And then you're going to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator there, Clark Griswold. Let them sit for another hour or so, and boy, by the time they're done, you're going to be treating yourself. So, we'll see you back here in a minute, Tiny Tim, and we will have us a big sight, a big bite, and a lovely, lovely time tonight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The chocolate-covered peanut butter balls are done, and I'm having that first little bite for old Black Owl himself. The elf himself. So, which one do I want? I'll take this one right here. Come here, little buddy. Yeah. Delicious. Finger looking good. Chocolate and peanut butter, man. You can't go wrong. And I'll tell you what, it's easy to make, cheap to make, and it's going to make everybody happy at the holiday party. So, I'm glad that you came to a holiday party with me. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe, follow me on social media, and watch all my other videos right here as a set. Now, let me say to you, have a Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. I hope them balls will treat you right. So, y'all have a good one out there. Hope you enjoy your family, enjoy your time, enjoy them foods that you can make, and I will see you on the flip-flop. So, yeah. Ooh.